Hey there, sharing your guitar guide, helping you find your sound, and today I want to go over some easy strumming patterns, and that's coming up. Hey, today I thought we'd go over how to strum the guitar, and we're going to learn whole note, half note, and quarter note strumming. In music, it has a pulse or a beat, and the beat is measured by time, and most songs that you're going to hear on the radio, 90% of them are in 4/4 time. So the beat is measured 4 times. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the pulse, the beat. So this beat of 4/4 timing, mute the strings, just barely place your fingers over the strings, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can tap your foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you probably start out slower than that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you're strumming, you want to try and, you don't want to be 1. You want to keep this moving at all times, but you want to have an even stride right there. Like it starts here and goes to here. Whatever is comfortable, but you don't want to be stopping and coming down here and back up and all this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And when you count out loud, you'll find out when you're playing music, counting is very important. It makes it a lot easier to play what you're trying to play. Now let's try it with a simple E minor chord. So to do the E minor, we're going to put our second finger here on the second fret of the A string, and your third finger is going to be here on the D string at the second fret. And you're going to strum all the strings. So we're 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to learn a whole note, a half note, and a quarter note when we're strumming. So the whole note, it brings out, well, first of all, we've got a measure of music from here to here. And a whole note brings out the whole distance of that measure of music. So with the E minor chord, this is the whole note. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's ringing out the whole bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We played the E minor. Let's play the A minor whole note. So to do that, place your first finger on the B string, the second string at the first fret. Then the D string, the fourth string, place your second finger on the second fret. And then on the G, second fret of the G string, which is the third string. We're going to strum from the fifth string down. So that's the A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so we got the whole note. So now let's go from the E minor to the A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If it's hard to move from the E minor to the A minor or back, then when you get to the count of 3, because you don't want to stop, you want to be over there so you can strum again. So when you get to the count of 3, start moving your fingers over, and then you'll be right on time. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I think you got it. So now let's look at the half note strumming. Alright, so what is a half note? Let's look at this cheesecake right here. My favorite cake. So when we're playing the whole note, we've got the whole pie. And you're playing the whole measure with one note. But with a half note, we're going to cut the cheesecake down the middle. And now we've got 2. What that has to do with strumming is this. We've got the 4 beats, but now you're strumming 2 times in the measure. So we're strumming on the 1 and 2, 3, and 4. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Measure, you would have 2 half notes in that measure. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're still counting to 4, but now we're strumming on the 1 and the 3. Let's practice with the E minor strumming 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to switch to A minor. And always count out loud until you get it, and then you'll be counting in your head. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see about the quarter note and cutting that cheesecake again. Alright, so we had the whole pie, the whole cheesecake for a whole note. We cut it down the middle, and we've got half notes, 2 halves of the pie, the cheesecake, the pizza. I'm going to have to go eat after this video. And then we've got the quarter note, so we've sliced it down the middle. Now we've got to cut it this way, so we've got 4 pieces of the cheesecake. And this is going to be a little bit harder to strum when you're new, be faster. So if it's too tricky, just stick with learning the whole notes and the half notes. But let me show you the quarter notes right now. We're going to be strumming 4 times. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Which seems to be twice as fast because you're strumming 4 times instead of 2. So starting out, to make it easier, just do all down strums. We've got the E minor chord here. Let's work on that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's move to the A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put another chord in there. What about a D? So place your first finger on the G string at the 2nd fret. Your second finger is going to be at the second fret of the E string, and your third finger is up here on the third fret of the B string. We're strumming from the fourth string down. So we're going E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, back to E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, D, E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you know how to play a whole note, a half note, and a quarter note. So take what you've learned and practice strumming. If you like this video, can you give it a thumbs up? Don't forget to watch that video next.